Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you my go-to autumn makeup look. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. I have already applied my primer to my face. Next, I'm using my Makeup Revolution foundation base. This is in F13, and as you can see, I'm running out. So I definitely need to stack up again. I guess this time around I'm going to purchase their new liquid foundation. If you would like to see my foundation and concealer routine using Makeup Revolution new foundation and their concealer and define concealer, leave a comment down below. The primer that I've used early on is my go-to Evelyn Iona primer. I will leave the name in the description box down below. I'm taking my Real Technique beauty sponge to further blend out the foundation, to erase any creases of the foundation that I've created when using my foundation brush. If you have a very good foundation brush or buffing brush, there is no need to do this step. We are going straight in with concealer. The concealer of my choice is my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Caramel. Because I used a dewy foundation, I decided to use a matte based concealer just to balance out the dewiness of the foundation on my highlighted portions. So my go-to autumn makeup look is all about dewiness with a touch of matte, together with matte eyes and matte or glossy lips. However, it's all optional based on your preferences. So here I'm blending out the concealed areas again with my beauty sponge. I prefer to blend with a damp beauty sponge, not wet, especially when I'm using this concealer. Because if your beauty sponge is too wet, I find that it moves and removes some of the concealer and you're left with patches on your concealed areas. So just be mindful when you're using a damp beauty sponge to blend out your concealer. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige as well. I tried this step in my previous video and I really like it. It erased my bags completely. I will try to incorporate this in my makeup routine because your girl haven't been getting her beauty sleep lately, so we need to have a backup plan. Here I am quickly blending out the areas where I apply the concealer. I will also apply the concealer to my lids to set and prep my lids for the eyeshadow for later. So here's a tip guys, apply as less pressure possible on your beauty sponge and your face to achieve a seamless blend. Okay, to set the concealed portion, I'm using my Beauty Bakerie Setting Powder in yellow. Because I use two concealers, I am not going to bake or apply a lot of powder to avoid looking too cakey under my eyes. To contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. I am applying it to the hollow of my cheek and to my forehead. I normally contour my nose, but today I'm trying something different. So make sure you blend out your contour areas properly. And to do that, I'm using my stipple blending brush. My biggest pet peeve is to see other people with a blotchy contour like, seriously sis? So I'm using my Covergirl Queen Ebony bronzer to set and blend out the contour areas along the hollows of my cheeks and forehead. Also, I will apply some to my jawline to snatch that double chin. So here is where you avoid looking blotchy. Make sure you blend out your concealer and contour areas seamlessly into each other. Here, I'm just using a simple fluffy powder brush to achieve this. Before I continue with my face, I need to make sure that my face is properly set and won't crease while I'm doing the other areas of my face. So I'm setting my face with my L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. Now that my face is fully dried and we're looking all snatched like we just had a Mexico tan, I will quickly go off camera to do my eyebrows, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the brows are done and I'm finally happy with them, I'm going straight in to my SophxRevolution Extra Spice palette, and I'll be using this shadow on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I am tapping the shadow first onto my lid to build up the color to my likings. This is my favorite palette of Makeup Revolution. Furthermore, the shadows are very easy to blend out and also pigmented. To make the shadows even more pigmented, you can apply an eyeshadow base on your lids before applying the shadow. I need to let you guys know though that there are fallouts from the palette, but to be honest, I don't mind the fallouts. To blend out my crease, I'm using a blending brush, going first with a circular motion to blend out the crease and then with windshield wiper motion, and I am only focusing on the edges without interfering with the lid area. I'm going back into the palette and I will be using this shimmer champagne looking shadow to apply to my inner tear duct areas. To be honest, I literally can't complete the look without popping those inner tear ducts. Like, it's the must. So here I'm applying a liner, and this is the Maybelline Master Ink Liquid Liner. So how I apply my liner is that I start with the wing by drawing a line at my outer V area and connecting the line to my inner lid area, and from there to the start of my inner tear ducts. So simple as that, guys. I am applying some mascara to prep my lashes for my falsie. The mascara is the Makeup Revolution Awesome Lash Mascara in black. Also, they have it in jet black. That's for all my jet black lovers out there. So here I am applying my falsie, and my lashes are from the Blinking Beauty and they are in the style Underestimated. So here I'm going straight in with the L'Oreal Paris blush in Rosewood. Next, I'm taking this beautiful highlighter. It's one of my favorite, and it's the Maybelline New York Masterchrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. So I'm applying it here on my cheekbone, and this is so beautiful, and a little goes a long way. I literally can't leave my house without using this highlighter. Y'all just have to pre this glow though. Like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I'm applying the highlighter as well to the tip of my nose, cupid bow, to my chin and to my forehead, and also a tad bit along the bridge of my nose. Like, look at this, look at this. Hello, dewy finish. Let's move on to the lips. I'm taking my Colourpop liner in Peach to line my lips. Quick tip, guys. If you want a fuller lip, you can overline your lips by going above the natural line of your upper lips or below the natural line of your lower lips. You can thank me later. For lipstick, I'm using my Milani lipstick in Teddy Bear, and this is a very nice new lipstick. It's not matte and it gives you a satisfying moisture to the lips. To add shine to the lips, I'm using my NYX lip gloss in Fortune Cookie, which is one of my faves lip gloss after the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Like, you know your girl Fenty, it's gonna be the first place, like no one above the Fenty Beauty Lip Balm gloss. So yes guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and if you recreate this look, please tag me in it on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.